एंजल ब्रोकिंग में अपना फ्री डीमैट अकाउंट खोलने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे अभी क्लिक करें और अपना फ्री डीमैट अकाउंट आज ही ओपन करें।
This is a compressed version of a classroom session. In this session, we will come to know the essential things which is required to find a growth and success in the stock market. So, to be successful in a stock market, we know that we need to know only two things, that is to buy and sell, which stock to be bought and which stock to be sold and when. Apart from this, the risk management and also the rules and discipline that we need to follow to be a success in a stock market. So in order to be a successful in a stock market, we need to first learn, identify yourself, are you a trader or an investor, then observe, practice, gain confidence and then invest. Now let's know what is the thing that we need to learn. What are the things that I need to learn to be successful in a stock market? To be successful in stock market, we need to learn the basics of stock market, how to trade, stock selections. If you are a long-termer, you need to know the fundamental analysis and to understand what is the fundamental analysis and also a technical analysis of a stock and fund and risk management, how the global and domestic markets impact the situations, which are all the factors which influence the segments, identify, build and follow your own strategies, any other factors to be considered before taking a successful trade, and which segment that you are working on. This is a learning part. Then, how do you identify yourself as a trader or an investor? If you are a trader or an investor, it depends upon your investing and risk handling capacity. Initially, it can be segregated as a trader or an investor, intraday traders, swing traders, and long-term investor or a short-term investor. You have to identify yourself first. You have to master your category and then proceed further. Then what is that I need to observe? You need to observe your stocks. You need to observe your watch list. You need to first identify your stocks, its opening, high, low and close, how it reacts. You need to observe your stock patterns. You need to observe the market patterns. Then fundamental or technical analysis of your stocks, whether it obeys your technical analysis or fundamentally it is strong, is good, or then you have to develop your strategies. The developed strategy is working or not, that needs to be observed. Then domestic and global market impacts. Then these strategies to be back tested. Once it is done, you need to practice. You need to plan your trade, prepare yourself and then practice. Then what is that practice I need to do? First, initially you apply your strategies, apply your analysis and do a paper trading, and so that you can backtest your strategies. This will bring you a confidence in you, a confidence of your own strategies, own risk to rewards. Then we can start. If you are practicing and if your practices yields good results and if your observation is accurate, if your strategy is working maximum time, definitely you will gain confidence. The next is invest. Once these 5 points are done, then you can start with your investment. After successfully following the above 5 points, now you are ready to invest. What is that invest I need to do? First, you have to invest in time for learning and upgrading yourself in par to a market. Invest with less capital. If you are able to double your investment, then confident of your fund and risk management, then you can start investing regularly. To summarize, we need to know, learn, identify, observe, practice, gain confidence, and then invest. With this, you will be able to find which stocks and when to buy it, and which stocks and when to sell it, which stocks I need to buy, I need to sell, or I need to hold. With this, you will be able to identify what is the risk and reward. You will be able to identify and manage your risk, rules and disciplines that need to be followed to be a successful trader. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.